Simplify navigation with TabBar Module. Improve accessibility and enhance the user experience. To get started, open an app in Pab and head to the New Items menu. Find the TabBar Module and drag it onto your app's content area. Once added, you can fully customize it to match your app's design and functionality. In the Properties pane, navigate to Tab Settings to personalize each tab. Here, you can label each tab for easy navigation, link a tab to a page, or design your own. Set the background of the TabBar container and add icons for visual clarity. You can also choose between Auto mode for dynamic sizing or Custom mode to manually set height, icon size, and text size. In the TabBar settings, you can control the overall appearance and behavior of the TabBar. Choose between Style 1 or Style 2. Set the TabBar's position at the bottom or top of your app, and select whether the tabs display icons and text, icons only, or text only. Adjust the spacing between tabs, align them to the top, center, or bottom, and define the number of tabs. The height of the TabBar can also be adjusted to fit your design. Customize the colors of your navigation bar by setting the text and icon colors for active and inactive tabs, the background color of the active tab, and the background of the TabBar itself. With full flexibility over layout, appearance, and functionality, the TabBar module ensures smooth navigation for your users,